Friends, my eggs are hidden inside this rice. Will you help me find the pieces of the eggs that are hidden inside my rice? First, I have my blue egg. I only have half of my blue egg. The other half is hidden in the rice. Say stop when you see the other half of my blue egg. Dig, dig, dig. Say stop when you see blue. Did you say stop? Good job. Let's put our pieces together. Put them together and push. Good job. We put our blue egg together. Good job, friends. Next, I have my yellow half. Look in the rice. Do you see yellow? Say stop and point to the yellow. Good job. Here it is. Let's take it out of the rice and put our two pieces together. Push. Good job. We put our yellow egg together. What color egg are we gonna put together next? This is purple. Let's find the other half of our purple egg. Say stop when you see the purple egg. Did you say stop? Great work, friends. Let's put our two pieces together to make our egg whole. Put them together and push. Good job. We made a purple egg. Friends, now it's time to find the other half of our green egg. I'm gonna dig, and when you see the green egg, say stop. Yell stop when you see the green egg. This is not green. Let's keep digging. Dig, dig, dig. Did you say stop? Good job. Let's put our two pieces together to make our egg whole. Push. Great job. We made a green egg. Now it's time to find our pink piece. Let's dig. Say stop when you see pink. Good job. Let's put our two pieces together. Put them together, and push. Great job, friends. We found the pink piece to make our egg whole. Let's say all of the colors of our eggs together. Blue, yellow, purple, green, and pink. Great job. Let's count how many eggs we found in the rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, friends. Thank you for your help. I am so proud of you.